The other one is on the internet now.
Can we pretend that airplanes in the night sky are like shooting stars? I could really use a wish right now, wish right now, wish right now. Can we pretend that airplanes in the night sky are like shooting stars? I could really use a wish right now, wish right now, wish right now. Yeah. I could use a dream or a genie or a wish to go back to a place but simpler than this. Cause after all the partying and smashing and crashing, and all the glitz and the glam and the fashion, and all the pandemonium and all the madness, there comes a time that you fade into the blackness. And while you're staring at that phone in your lap, and you're hoping other people never call you back. Well, that's just how the story unfolds. Innocent, what would you with the phone if you had one chance? So airplanes, sorry I'm late. I'm on my way, so don't close that gate. If I don't make that, then I'll switch my flight and I'll be right back at it at the end. Between that airplanes in the night sky like shooting stars, I can really use a wish right now, wish right now, wish right now. Can we pretend that airplanes in the night sky like shooting stars? I can really use a wish right now, wish right now, wish right now. Take me back to the day before this was a job, before I got paid, before it didn't matter what I had in my bank. And back when I was trying to get into the subway, and back when I was rapping for the... But nowadays we rapping to stay relevant. So we make some wishes out of airplanes, then maybe I go back to the days before the... And back when anybody listened to my mixtape. I'll be right. In the politics, and get back to the start of this. I'm hoping we can make some wishes out of airplanes. In the night sky like shooting stars. I could really use a wish right now, wish right now, wish right now. Can we pretend that airplanes in the night sky like shooting stars? I can really use a wish right now, wish right now, wish right now. I could really use a wish right now. Like shooting stars. I wish right now.
Shoot.
What if you
That was us.
Sapper, you know what you guys should do?
Yo, what up? I'm Miss Smiley. I'm Rockstar.
Breezy, Smiley.
Breezy's
I'm
awesome.
Rockstar.
The bars are the door.
We're all awesome.
This is my paper mustache.
This is my paper beard.
And she wears glasses. Please
No,
subscribe.
I don't.
No, the other girl. Okay, please subscribe. You're really cool.
Oh, yes.
Sapper, you know what you guys should do?